Yes, go ahead, please.
So, should a person be like extremely careful not to perform like second melacha as a result of the permitted melachot? Like, for example, someone is like carrying a pot of warm water from one place to another, from one location to another, and the person accidentally like trips and spills the water over, I don't know, the grass or some plants, and he will be like performing the melacha of Soraya. So are the leniencies like covering this type of accidents, perhaps?
But as you said, it's accident. Nobody like this is example. Just that's our friend gave us a beautiful example. So let me expand on this example and explain what would happen during the temple era. So you want to bring water, let's say warm water, from one place to another, and not from just from the through the Carmelites, from this intermediate domain, right? And person walks with a big pot of water, like, and then he spills this water, right? He trips and spills some water on the grass, let's say. So it's in some sense like it is watering the grass, and it's absolutely forbidden. So we're not allowed to plant something, to seed something, and one of the things, like, we're not allowed to promote the growth. So what does it mean? To water. So did he water the grass? Absolutely, 100%. Did he meant to do it? No. So in all of these cases, person would, in the time of Beis Hamikdash, would have to bring the sacrifice, the sin offering, right? So because it was unintentional. For intentional sins, there's no sacrifice. It's very interesting. For intentional sins, you did Teshuvah. You went like too far. That's too much, right? But for unintentional, you would do this sin offering. It's very interesting, right? So is it good so the question, is it good to be careful not to put yourself in that situation? Absolutely. So even if it's indirect, so but if you, okay, so even it is indirect, right? So the people say, so why would we punish this person and tell them that you have to take off from your job, I don't know, for a few weeks, right, to go to Yerushalayim, then stand in line, then go back, and another few weeks. Like it's months, months, 3 weeks of your life. They're going to fire you, but by the time you come back, the boss said, okay, I already hired another guy, and guess what? I'm sorry that I've been paying you for five past years. You was such a loss for me. You understand? So the guy, like, because he spilled some water, he lost the livelihood. His family is falling apart. Everything. So it was. So the question asked, why would we punish this? Like he's innocent. He did it unintentionally. So the answer is there is no such a thing as unintentional. So if person would be careful and he would perform all of his jobs before time, right, before the Yom Tov starts, he would not put himself in that situation. But because if he knew there is a minefield, he would not go or walk carelessly on the minefield. You understand? He would say, you know what? Maybe I don't need it, right? Maybe next time, right? So okay, so exactly the same here. So if you would be careful, you would not be in that situation. So is it his fault? Yes, it is his fault. Indirect? Yes, and indirect. But he has to bring the offering. To change the balance back. So now he didn't sin, and now he has to check the balance, because why? We know the rule is one sin is going to bring another sin. One mitzvah is going to bring another mitzvah. So he did a sin. Is it sin? Yes. Is it unintentional? Doesn't matter. Still a sin. So now he has to go to Yerushalayim, bring sacrifice, and all of the steps that he walks to Yerushalayim is a mitzvah itself. So to check, to fix the balance. That's a very interesting question.